How to show options for wireless display certification on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer options. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on wireless display certification. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you switch this on, you will have the option to show options for wireless display certification. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.